In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all phone number on Twilio 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the numbers already on your account, what each one can do, and how to search for new numbers if you don't have any yet. Start by signing in to your Twilio account. Once you're in the console, look for the phone numbers area. This is the hub for everything related to your numbers. Open it up and you'll see a section labeled Manage. Click that and a drop-down will appear with options specific to your number inventory. Choose Active Numbers. This page shows every Twilio number you've purchased. If you're on a trial, it will also list your trial phone number. Right alongside each number, you'll see its capabilities at a glance, like whether it supports SMS, MMS, voice, fax, or even WhatsApp where applicable. This view is useful for quickly confirming which numbers can handle your use case, such as two-way texting or voice calls. If your list looks long, use the built-in search bar to find a specific number quickly by digits or friendly name. If your list is empty or you need another number, click Buy a new Twilio number. This takes you to the search tool where you can browse available inventory. First, click the country code field. This opens a selector so you can pick the country you want. Choose your country, keeping in mind the kind of number you need, local versus toll-free, and any regional requirements for your business. When you're ready, click Search. The results page shows all the numbers you can buy right now. You'll see key details, like the number itself and its capabilities, which helps you match the number to your intended use. For example, if you plan to send text messages, make sure SMS is listed. If you need voice calling, check for voice. The different countries have different rules and availability, so it's normal to try a few searches or adjust your preferences to find the best fit. If a number looks right, you can select it to move into the purchase flow. That's it. You've seen how to log in, navigate to phone numbers, open the Manage menu, view your active numbers, and if needed, search for new ones by country. Pause and replay as needed while you follow along in your own console, and you'll have your full number inventory at your fingertips.